let's start with chapter number 3, working in PowerPoint 2016. In this chapter, in the PowerPoint chapter, what I will tell you about the features and what are the different PowerPoint views, creating a presentation, how you can create a presentation and to run the presentation, how you can run the presentation. Now, let's start with the chapter. We have learned different ways in which we can create presentation. And we have learned different templates and themes to make the slide looks beautiful. In this chapter, we will learn how to apply the animation, how you can apply different animations to your PPT. Now, first is PowerPoint. It is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. It is used to organize and present the information. PowerPoint presentation consists of number of individual pages or slides. Slides may contain text, graphics, sound, movies and other objects that can be freely arranged. We can effectively convey ideas, messages and other information to a group of people. How? Through the presentation. Now, if you want to give the information to a lot of people, what you do, you present yourself with the help of presentation. Now, features of the PowerPoint 2016. First is ribbon. A new version of PowerPoint has arisen which replaces the menu bar seen in previous version. The ribbon groups items are most likely to use together. Now, there are several frequently used tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design and View. Now, click on each tab activities, a group of relative commands, menus and buttons. There are also contextual tabs like we have text box tool, picture drawing tool, chart tools. To activate this tool, you will click on the associated object. Let me show you over here. First of all, now, these are the different options. We have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Record, View. These are the different options that is given to you. Next is Backstage View. The File tab is not a regular tab. Instead of displaying ribbon commands, it display full screen, that is Backstage View. The Backstage View gives us various options: saving, opening, printing, sharing our presentation, and each command you can select and you can use it. Now, look at the following commands in the Backstage View. I have showed new. List available templates from which we can create a new presentation. From this, you can create a new presentation. We have different list. Then is open existing presentation. The presentation that you have saved, the existing presentation you can open. Info, show the information. What are its properties? That your active presentation, what are its properties, what are its features. Save the current presentation in the standard format in the location. Save as, let us resave previously saved presentation. Now, if you want to resave that previously saved presentation, you can use this save as option. Next is print. Provides the setting and option if you want to take out the print of your presentation. Then share provides option for sending the presentation via email. You want to send anyone a presentation through email or through inviting other to view online. So these are the different methods. Export offers a variety of options. If you want to save a presentation, different means like different formats, creating a video, packaging a presentation for CD, or creating a handouts, or you want to change the file type. Then you can do in export. Close, you want to close the presentation. Next is account. Enables us to view account information. If you are logged in with a Microsoft account, it tells you the information of your account. Next is feedback. Open the window feedback dialog box, which allows us to provide feedback to Microsoft. What it gives? It gives the feedback. Option opens PowerPoint option dialog box from which we can configure many aspects of program's operation. Next is PowerPoint view. We can use various PowerPoint view that enables us to see and change our presentation in variety of view. For example, normal view, if we talk about normal view, we can work with just one slide at a time. Then we have slide sorter view. In this, you can view all the slides and you can easily rearrange them. Next is, let's go to different views. Now I will tell you about some different views. First is normal view. It is a default view. Like you want to see the individual slide, then it is a normal view. The slide we can currently add it is called current slide. It contains three parts: slide pane, slide thumbnail pane, and notes pane. Now the size of these panes can be adjusted. You can adjust the pane of these slides according to your wish. We can also click on view button on the status bar. The button provides normal view. We have slide sorter view, reading view. These are the different view that you can use in your slide. This is slide pane. These are view buttons. This is thumbnail. Whatever slide you have made, one by one, it will show every slide's thumbnail. Next is outline view. It is the same as normal view except thumbnail images of the slide. The text here you will see that text only. Next we have slide sorter view. It displays miniature slides in a presentation on a single screen. On a single screen like this you will see the different slides. Then we have note page view. It shows one slide at a time along with any notes that are associated with the slide. This view lets us create and edit notes. Here you can create and edit notes. If this pane is not visible, then you will click on notes button on the taskbar to display. Next is reading view. It's like a slideshow view except that it is window rather than filling the entire screen. It allows us to view presentation within a simple controls for easy review. Next is slideshow view. It lets us to preview the presentation on the screen so we can see it the way our audience can see it. Next is you're creating a presentation. Now adding new slide to a presentation. Now you want to add a new slide. How you will add? For this, our next step is to add a view slide after creating our title slide. To build a presentation, we can add. And as much as new slide you want to add, you can add there. Next is follow the steps to insert a new slide. On a home tab in the slide group, click on new slide button and the drop down arrow will be shown there. That an gallery opens. It shows thumbnails of the images. Next is scroll down to the bottom of the gallery and then click content with caption. Now we have applied theme. It is an inbuilt features which offers quick way of changing the layout. If you want to change the layout of the presentation, you can quickly change with this option. And each theme has its own set of colors on fonts and your effect. It is easy to apply the theme to a single slide, section or the entire presentation. Next we have follow the below steps to apply themes to our presentation. From the design tab, you have to first go to design tab and from the design tab, click the drop down arrow in the theme group, select the desired theme. The theme is applied to the presentation. Any theme you can choose. I will show you over here. Where you have to go the design option. First of all, you have to choose the new slide, so you can choose the slide as many slides you want. Then you have to go to design option. You can choose the theme of your choice. Like I have choose this theme. Any theme you can choose like this. Different themes, whatever you want to choose, you can choose. Now modifying a background. Now you want to modify. Each slide has the background on which all slides elements are beside. To further customize slide, we can change the background color. You can change the background color, background style, whatever you want to change. Now from the design tab, click the drop down arrow in the various group. Then select background style and select the desired style. And the style will change depending upon the current. Whatever change you want, you can do with the help of this. A new background will appear in the each slide of the presentation. We can make the background colorful. If you want to make the background colorful, you can also make the background colorful of your choice. Like this. Now you want to change the color. Any color you can change. Like this, you want pattern. So like this, you can format the background. Next is inserting a picture. Now you want to insert the picture. How you will insert? So pictures can be added to the slide to make our presentation visually appeal. Now if your presentation have different pictures, the people will be attractive. They will become attractive to your presentation. So you should add some pictures. There are 4 sources of images that can work with. Like first is pictures. Images sorted on our local drive. Then online pictures, media file, images, video, audios and more that Microsoft PowerPoint provides. Now there is screenshot, a screen capture of any application. It is not minimized to our password. Photo album, a collection of images that you have in your local file. Anyone you can choose. So I will show you how you will insert the picture. First of all, you will go to insert option. Then picture. Option is given, this device, your online picture. So I will click this device. Like this, you can choose the picture of your like this, you can add the picture in your slide. Next is follow the below step to insert a picture. Like select the insert tab that I have shown you. You have to go to insert tab. Then you have to go to picture. A dialog box will appear. Here you will have locate and select the desired image. And then you will click on insert and the image will be inserted. Then we have adding a smart art. Smart art graphic can be used to illustrate a process or structure. It allows to communicate information in the form of graphic instead of just text. How you are giving your information, how you are presenting yourself by giving the graphics, not only by text. Now, follow the below step to insert a smart art. Then select the desired slide where the smart art graphics needs to be appear. You will go to insert. From the insert tab, select the smart art command in the illustration group and the change dialog box appear. Then select the category to the left and choose the desired smart art. Whatever graphics you want to add. May I show you over here? Like we have got to insert. This is your smart art. You have clicked any, whatever you want to choose. Like, let me choose this. You will click on OK. And like this, the hexagon will be there. You have gone to smart art. Like this will appear. Now changing the slide order. Now I have not made the slide, but you have to do this way only how you will see the slide order. So click on the view tab, click on the normal option on the presentation. Thumbnail of the slide on the left pane of the window will appear. Here you will show the thumbnail. Next is drag the thumbnail to change the order. If you want to change the order of the slide, you can change it by dragging the slide. Next is adding animation effect. Now you want the animation effect, motions, pictures to be added in your presentation. How you will do? Illusion of showing series of still picture in motion is rapid succession. It gives presentation a professional look. If you will add the animation, it will give your presentation a animation professional look. Now, so click on a slide elements such as box, shape or picture to which you want to add animation. Wherever you want to add the animation, you may click. Then click on animation tab, click on animation effect. and you will here different animation will be shown to you. Like you go to animation, here different fade, appear, whatever you want, like wheel. So like this it will, right? You want to choose floating, it will float like that. These are the different animation effect. Now apply slide transition. First, what is transition? The visual effect that appears when we move one slide to another. When you move one slide to another, the effect that is shown, the way slide move into and out of view during the backstage view, this is known as slide transition. It includes effects like sliding it, more complex effects such as dissolving in from outer edges or center. These are the different effects. When you will change the slide, it will be shown over there. Now, click on the desired slide at transition. Now, click on transition, then you will go to effect, then you will go to effect option. Whichever slide, now click on the effect option for setting the transition effect. Now, a preview of the transition effect is displayed, and we can also click on apply. If you want to apply to all, it will apply to all also. Want to apply the same transition effect to the entire slide? You will do entire slide. PowerPoint adds animation icon below the slide number. Now running a presentation. Now if you have made a presentation, you have completed it, now you have to run it. So slideshow view is used to give the presentation to a group of people. We can run a slideshow of a presentation on the computer screen. How you will display the slide one by one? First of all, click on the first slide to be viewed. Then you will go to slideshow. Click from beginning or press F5. You may press F5 also. The slide selected fills our screen, and you can press ESC key if you want the keyboard and add the slideshow. To display the next slide, click on next button and click anywhere. If you want to go to next slide, you will click anywhere or to the next slide. The next slide appears. To return to previous slide, click on back button or press backspace keys. Now repeat step 4 until the blank screen appears, indicating that we have reached our time. Till the black screen not appear, you have to click on it and click on the screen to exit the slideshow. After completing, you can click on the exit and your slideshow will be exit. Now this was all in the PowerPoint chapter. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.